Everybody knows that losing weight is not easy. But it's time for you to know the truth. You need to know the real root of the problem, and the reason why most people can't lose weight, in a definitive way. It turns out that the real problem is not just to lose weight. The problem is to continue with your new weight after, and maintain this new weight in a healthy way. So, the real problem is this after phase. Because, if you follow a diet for a while, you will lose some weight. But the question is, what will you do next? Because, if you go back to your old habits, your old weight will come back. And that's what happens to everyone. You follow a diet, and you lose weight. Then, you stop with the diet, and the weight comes back. And so, you stay in this horrible cycle, your whole life, struggling to lose weight. This is what you need to put in your head. If after you lose weight, you come back, and do the same things that led you to gain the extra weight, the result will be just one. You are going to get fat again. That is the reality. It is impossible to get another result. But no one wants to spend the rest of your life in this cycle, where you get fat and lose weight, get fat again, and lose weight again. Because this is not a good way to live life, and it also damages the body in bad ways. If you want to lose weight in a healthy way, and without going back to your current weight later, access the link in the description, right below this video. If you liked this video, click on like below, and subscribe to the channel. Good luck.